Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Shrewdly Sammy. And yes, today we'll be unboxing our Samsung Galaxy A14 5G phones. And yes, this is the first time I'm unboxing the Android phones. So let's go. I bought black color and the dark red. Yes, it is called dark red. And third color is also there. It's a lime green kind of thing. But I have chosen these two colors. Okay, considering the box and all, it's like slim trim, same kind of as iPhone. See, if you see this one, yes, okay, we will go over the same. And over there, like, you will get the branding for Samsung Galaxy A14 5G in black color. Paper strip kind to break the seal, just like iPhone. And yes, following the same, we don't have the charging adapter, we just have the cable. And if you're coming that one, this one is also like same black color, nothing based on the color of your phone. Okay, following the same trend, I did the partial unboxing on the store, like to check the physical device and no damage and all. And let's unbox both right now and proceeding with the dark red, because like black is a normal one, like usually it's a running color, but it's a new one kind of thing. We will proceed further this one. Okay, so let me pull it out. Okay, here's the user manual. If you see the iPhone packaging and all, the manuals are we can say first will be the phone, post that there will be the user manual, but here first user manual, then the phone, and that's an information, no worries. Okay, the Samsung branding, and we have the SIM ejector tool, and we have the cable also. Okay, and USB-C to C type of cable, and it's a plastic one, we can say, not the braided, just like considering the new series of iPhone and the MacBooks. Yeah. Coming back to the phone, we have the plastic wrapper. Okay, these are the three cameras, and we have flashlight. And if you see this design layout, it's a vertical one, considering the flagship series of the Samsung. So if you consider A series, M series, F series, now they follow the same trend only. Okay, and this is plastic, but some pattern is there, see. Okay, Samsung branding. Coming to here, like, we have the front camera and speaker, and the thick bezel is there, you can see. I will switch on the same, but yeah, we will talk about the same later. Secondary noise cancellation mic, SIM tray, we have headphone jack, again the noise mic, and USB-C type, the speaker. We will get the one speaker only. Okay, and let me unbox this one also, and we will proceed further for the same. Okay, the dark red, same paper and like user manual and your USB-C type. All right, excited for the dark red color. Okay, this looks pretty much good considering the running black color. Okay, let's boot it up. I'm also excited to see first time being Android booting up. Okay, you get the Samsung Galaxy branding, powered by Android. Yeah. Okay, it will ask you for this welcome start. Okay, find a review and all, like, okay, I will do this setup and all. I also need to like to check what things are being offered on Android phone considering the initial setup. Okay, and looking on the display, as I told you, we will talk to you later about the same. It's a PLS LCD display, not the full HD, but considering the other phones and all, I find it very good. And like, yeah, considering current trend and all, like, it should be bezel-less, the minimum bezel, but we have thick bezel here, and this and the drop kind of front camera. Okay, water drop kind of thing. Okay, no worries, let me set it up, and yeah, we will discuss later, guys. Yeah. Okay, I just wanted to show you the side-by-side comparison between both colors, the black and the dark red. Considering the same, it's both are decent color, and I personally prefer these two over the lime green color. And yeah, I just wanted to update that this is a 6 GB 128 variant. Okay. Okay, I did the setup and all, and being an iPhone user and doing the Android stuff, actually it's time consuming comparatively iOS setups. Yeah. Okay, coming to the technical specifications for this one, it's like a 90 hertz display, full HD PLS display, and we got the three camera setup we discussed earlier. The main unit will be 50 megapixel, and the rest two will be 22 megapixel, and the front one is 13, and you get the 5000 mAh battery for this one, and support 15-watt charging, fast charging only. And yes, we get the 4 years of security updates for this phone and 2 years of OS updates. Along with that is an Exyno processor, Samsung's own processor, 1330 5nm. Yeah, and I already told you that's like a 128 and 6 GB variant. You can say for the first time they're saying that you need to use the phone using your Indian SIM cards only for a couple of minutes. Then you can use the other things, like it's mentioned here only. You can check out their website. Yeah. Okay, the overall experience till now it's good. Let's see what's go down the line. Yeah, we have Samsung 25-watt adapter. As I told earlier, like this, considering the Apple trend nowadays, Samsung also not providing any kind of adapter for your phones. You need to purchase it separately. Even though it supports 15-watt charging and all, I bought 25-watt charger. Maybe it will be used for charging other device. It's a USB-C type. Okay, let's unbox this. Yeah, it's a pretty hard job. Like we used to with the Apple's pull tab. It's a okay. Yeah, it's mentioned like super fast charging adapter. Yeah, it's a USB-C type, normal one, plastic. Yeah, and I'm done with the unboxing and the first impression kind of things. And this was my first ever experience with the Android since so long, being an iPhone user. And I would say like this is the first video for Android phones also in my channel. So I think hope you will also enjoy the same. And please like, share, subscribe to my channel Shrewdly Sammy. Bye bye.